Ski 508, Sangster Tower, Roger. Surface wind 060 degrees, 15 knots. Clear takeoff, runway 07.
Alright, copy on weather, clear to take off, runway 7, Chester 508.
This is RMP, runway 07.
Scope 147, Sangster Tower, surface wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Runway 07, copy 146.
Ski 508, airborne 51, contact Sangster radar 120.8, take care.
20.8, good day, Ski 508.
Delta 1955, Sangster Tower.
Tower Delta 1955 on the RMP runway 7.
1955, Sangster Tower, Roger, continue approach, runway 07, slow to minimum. Your number 3, traffic you're following will be a Cessna 206 coming off the left base, runway 07. Wind at station 060 degrees, 12 knots.
We continue the approach. We're slowing down to minimum approach speed for Delta 1955.
6 November Juliet, proceed to final 07.
7 November Juliet, landing for Charlie 12, by the way.
Roger. Degrees, 16 knots. 146 arrive at a 01, continue rollout, vacate to via Alpha traffic to land.
Via Alpha, copy 146.
Roger that.
Have you in sight? Let's clear to land 07, half landing runway available, wind now 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Clear to land, copy, wind, you're there.
Scope 146, contact the ground 121.7.
217, copy 146.
Juliet arrives 02, vacate Charlie, ground 121.7.
Charlie 121.7, over to that.
Delta 1955, A firm, surface wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land 07.
Clear runway 7 Delta 1955. Delta 1955 arrived to 04, vacate via Alpha, contact the ground 121.817. Ground 21.7 Delta 1955.
1462 on the RMP to runway 07, runway in sight.
462, Sangster Tower, good day, correct land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
07, United 1462.
Southwest 918 on final for runway 7.
18 Sangster, Target Day, continue approach runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
For runway 7, Southwest 918.
Arrived 15, vacate via Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Having you 91.
918, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Runway 1, clear to land runway 7, Southwest 918.
American 1247, hold short runway 07, we are ready.
47 Sangster Tower, hold short runway 07.
Runway 07, American 1247.
The 1247, line up and wait runway 07.
Runway 07, line up and wait, American 1247.
And 1616, final, RNAV runway 7.
16 Sangster Target Day, continue approach runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots, traffic, Boeing 738 departing prior to arrival.
You approach American 1616.
Run 1247, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots. Six wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
American 1616, clear to land runway 7.
168 from clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
American 1616, clear to land runway 7.
Airborne 20, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, American 1618.
47.
I'm sorry, American 1247.
The 1616, arrive 22, vacate via Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Bentley Southwest 272, 8 miles final.
2 Sangster Tower, good morning, continue approach runway 07, wind is 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 272.
Via Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
I'm sorry, say the gate again and vacate via Alpha, American 1613.
Gate, vacate via Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
See you, American 1613, thanks. Over ground 191.7.